everybody. Welcome back to Grandma's Corner, where you can find me on YouTube at Grandma's Corner 2020. Please subscribe, help my cause, trying to reach that magic number so I can be totally self-employed since I have no more students, and you are my students today. So I am going to teach you something about how to clean. Now, you know how sometimes we get these really cool jars, and these jars have these obnoxious stickers on them, and you peel them off and they're all sticky and you don't know what to do with them. You want to throw them out the window? Well, I have a solution for you, and it is environmentally safe. There are no chemicals, and it's easy peasy to make. So I got myself a jar because I finished all those olives last night, and I said, what should I do with this jar? Because you know how Grandma's really big into recycling, reusing, reducing, and repurposing. Well, I am going to repurpose this, and I am going to be putting marinated red onions in here, and I'm so excited. So I've got a sticky mess. I don't like sticky messes. So I am going to use a product that I made, and it's called Goo Gone, because what happens? You get rid of the goo and it's gone. So simple to make. Look at those ingredients. 2 tablespoons of veggie oil, 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Easy, easy, easy. Everybody's got baking soda in the house because you use it for baking. Here again is our tablespoon size. Remember, it's the largest of the measuring spoons. Oh, and there's that Jagger. He says, I want to help. All right. I don't like to do this kind of scrubbing without gloves. How about you, Jagger? Do you like gloves too? Apparently he does. All right. So I'm going to take my little Goo Gone, and I'm going to give it a little bit of a swirl. It's been sitting around in the cupboard for a while because I haven't had to get rid of any goo for quite some time. Today's the day. Alrighty, here we go. Get yourself a paper towel, or you can use a soft cloth. That works well. You're going to dip a fair amount into the jar and find your gooey spot and start scrubbing. Scrub, scrub, scrub. You're going to have to get a little bit of horsepower in here because it's not that easy, but you will find after a few minutes, this gooey stuff comes off, and it's amazing. And then you have a nice clean glass that you can use and repurpose. Oh yeah, look at this stuff. It's coming right off. I'm so excited. Really, it's that baking soda. That's the deal. And then the oil is that material that allows that baking soil to stick to it and spread around and do its job. Isn't this exciting? I love finding products that I can make myself, DIY, do it yourself, because I don't like chemicals. I don't like having to buy everything that I can make myself. So there are plenty of DIY projects out there for you to do as well. All right, look at that. That is amazing. That is now slick as ice and ready to clean and ready to use. Oh my gosh, this was like the most wonderful project to do today because I just finished the olives last night, and I said, how about making a video? So I hope you enjoyed it. Again, please subscribe, support my cause, and I look forward to sharing more videos with you and your friends. Have a great day.